Okay, great.
Hello everyone, and thank you for watching the video. Today we're going to be looking at the Sharper Image electronic key finder. Always find your keys, 2 key fobs included. Says it's designed in California, USA. Here's what's going to be included. We'll go over that in just a second here. That's interesting there. So it has the 2 fobs here, and they will have a flat battery, and we're going to insert a battery in one of them, or both of them. Probably just try one today. But I've lost my keys before. I've lost them in the house. I've lost them in my car. So I know firsthand that it can be frustrating if you're trying to find your keys, especially if you're in a rush for something or need to be somewhere. That's what we're going to try to do today here with this. So let's go ahead and open the box up and see what's included, and see if we can find some batteries. So I did pick this up used, so I'm not sure this is going to be exactly what's going to be included. Probably, but it may not be packaged like this. Here's the finder. Key 1 and key 2. Here's a gel pack. Here is the base. It's got a speaker in it, it looks like. And here's the key fob. Number 2. And then number 1. So let's go back and look here, and we see that there's 2 AAA batteries not included, and then we have 4 of the CR2032 button cell batteries for key fobs. 2 required, 2 replacement. Yeah, so that's your number. Now I did open this up just for a second. I'll show you how to do that again. I think you just push it. You see where it says Sharper Image? In my case here, I'm pushing it away from me. It looks like you could put something in there, but instead of doing that and maybe breaking something, mine just came right off after pushing it away from me. And I have 2 batteries already in there. I didn't put those in there, so previous owner must have, and so I don't even know if they work. So we're going to go to the fobs and take a look at them. Maybe you can see that it says open. There is an arrow, and if you turn it, mine's loosened already, but just turn this top part and the cover will come off. Here's my 2 batteries that I bought at the Dollar Tree. These are lithium button cell batteries. So I've got my battery. Probably need to be wearing gloves so you don't get oil. Batteries will last longer. But anyway, what we're going to do is we're going to slide, see where it says positive? That says positive. Just want to slide it. There's only one way to put it in, this way. So I guess the beep tells me that it's, that it's working, I guess, or it's going in the right way when you hear the beep. So that's a good thing. Okay, so now take the cover. See these little black pieces here on each end? Line that up. It's right here with these 2. And then once we get them lined up, we just turn it clockwise. Kind of snaps, and that's all there is to it. Okay, over here, these batteries were already in place. I did buy some new AAA batteries. Let's see if they're going to work. So to put the cover on, how do we do that? Which way? Yeah, just going to slide it back. It locks on. So if we push, See, I'm not exactly sure. Earlier I said this was a speaker. It's not a speaker. These are just grips for, you know, for your base, where you put it, like rubber grips for the table or wherever you plan on putting it. So let's just hold it, push the button here. Okay, so it takes a second or so. I guess you have to keep doing it, keep pushing it. Okay, pretty cool. So I've got the fob on a keychain. Just one key here, try it out. And we're going to put this somewhere, kind of a realistic situation. We're going to use our finder here to, you know, try to locate it. I still can't hear it from outside the car. Okay, I can't hear it. So, if you thought it was in your car, you're going to open the car door anyway. I would anyway. So yeah, you can definitely hear it. So it says that you should be able to hear it from a distance of 45 feet. We're going to go ahead and try that out. I'm going to insert the new batteries that I have bought. They are Panasonic. I believe I might have got these from the Dollar Tree as well. We're going to go ahead and also, I'll do this off camera, we're going to put our other battery in the number 2 fob, and then I'll get back. So I've got battery in number 2. We're going to try it out. Here's another scenario. Let's put it in a laundry basket. I've had that happen before. I can't find my key. What did I do with my key? I think it was on number 2. I hear it. Oh yeah, the laundry. Awesome. And one more scenario, maybe you're working out in the yard, a hole in your pants or something, or who knows. Maybe you reach down to get something out of your pants and drop the keys and you don't know what. Maybe you have an unfortunate situation where you get in a fight with somebody and they take your keys, or they don't want you to drive. They throw your keys like that right there. So you have to find them in some ivy. Let's go about 45 foot away. I'm not going to be able to hear it outdoors. I'm almost positive of that. But yeah, we're about 40 foot away. Air conditioner's running, so I'm not going to be able to hear this. But we're going to try it. Yeah, anyway, if it happened to be the circumstance or the scenario where somebody threw your keys, at least you'd kind of have an idea. So you come over here, you clearly hear that from, what is that, about 15 foot away. Okay, great. Okay, and now I realize why also they tell you to have four batteries. You know, if you do have the situation where you do lose your key, you know, it may be 6 months from now. You want to have some backup batteries just in case those other ones that you put in there 6 months earlier have died. I guess that's going to be it for the sharper image electronic key finder. Yeah, it works. It works. I think it would work for a lot of situations, personally anyway. So good luck with your own situation if you do try the sharper image electronic key finder. Thanks for watching the video. Until next time, have a nice day. Take care.